Hello everyone, you are welcome again to this video. We are again back to Namisindwa district and we're looking at the physical features which are very nice to look at. And if you're watching us for the first time, please you can come up and link our inbox button so that you can be able to come and see some of these videos. Here we are looking at a waterfall which is found in Namisindwa. Like we always say, Namisindwa is a very nice district with very many good physical features. Here it's a waterfall and we've come with Juliet to look at the waterfall and like we have shown other physical features.
Waterfall. Amaziga gariga very wagulu ku mountain nega kapaka no wansina ya wali wobunyogofu bungi. I would really love to see this. I would love everyone to come and see this. This is so beautiful. It is the beauty of God.
Yep. Oh. Oh God. Ah, very started nice. But I think it's enough to see. So this is nice, and this is the water that they always purify, supply us almost the entire district. So it is very nice. Juliet, you're most welcome to.
I just feel happy to see this. Traveled a very long distance. We have climbed mountains. We first went to see the bridge of God. When we are here, there is a waterfall. It is coming from up. It is very cold. There is a very big storm here. It is coming from up, coming down. You people, everyone should have eyes to see this. This is
The
very
beauty of
beautiful.
the world.
Everyone should have the eyes and be able to see this. This is the beauty of God.
Yeah.
This is really the beauty of God.
Yeah. Aha! Are can see. Aha. Ah. Can picture the video. One little bullet. Eh, how are now? What a video.
What a video.